Welcome to the 12th part of the tutorial series on how to make tic-tac-toe game in Unity. Let us make now player versus computer. Open game controller script for editing. Let us think now what we want to do. We want to make computer play when we finish our move. But before that we need to select a side and assign the other side to computer. So let's make variable computer side. Private string computer side. We want to know when it's computer's turn. For that let's create boolean variable player move. Public bool player move. Let's keep it public so then we can check in the inspector. You can also have computer move as variable. You will just need to change true value to false and false value to true. Let's think more. We don't want computer to play immediately after player plays, so let's add delay. Create float variable delay. Public float delay. Since it is public we can assign its value in the inspector. Are we done with the variables? When it's computer's turn, how will computer know which grid space to click? We have created array named buttonless. We can use it. It needs int value. So create variable name value. Private int value. We are done with the variables. In awake function let's set the player move value to true. Player move equals true. This will enable player to select X or O and start the game first. Now we need to assign the computer side. We have function set starting side. When player side is X, we need to assign computer side as O and vice versa. So in if condition assign computer side to O and in else condition assign computer side to X. We already have function to get player side. So, we can use the same for getting computer side. Copy the function get player side and paste it below. Change the function name to get computer side and return value to computer side. We now have set the computer side. Let's see how we can change the sides. We have function for it already. Replace first line with player move equals true question mark false colon true. If condition player move is true then we will make it false, and if the condition is false then make player move true. We are now able to change sides. Let's add function so that computer plays after player turn is over. Add update function below awake function. Make sure you write the function name correct. It's Unity's inbuilt function which is called every frame. We want computer to play when our player move boolean value is false. So add if statement to check this condition. If player move equals false. Inside let's add some delay first. Delay plus equals delay multiply time dot delta time. Delay value will keep on increasing every frame. So let's add one more condition. If delay greater than equals 100. Now we want computer to click grid space, which can be done by selecting grid using the buttonless array. We need int value for that. So let computer select random grid. Add statement value equals random.range 08. Range needs two values, minimum and maximum. You can also write maximum value as buttonless.length, which will get the int value same as the length of array. Length of array is actually 9 but it will automatically get the value as 8, so no need to subtract 1. Next we will check if the grid selected by that random value is already set or not. To do this we will add one more if condition to check if it's interactable. We now have the button list value, but how can we access the button's interactable property, because array contains text component which is child of button. So we can access interactable property of button using buttonlist by getting component in parent. If buttonlist value.get component in parent, the parent is button. Interactable equals true. If it's true then to assign computer side to the text, add statement buttonlist value.text equals get computer side. Now set this button non-interactable by buttonlist value.get component in parent button.interactable equals false. And to end computer's turn call end turn function. Now let's add to check if computer wins the game. We have end turn function checking the conditions of player side. Copy the same code till last winning condition, Don't copy move count condition and paste it, changing player side to computer side everywhere in the copied code. At the end below change side set delay value to 10. Don't forget to add else at start before if. In restart game function reset player move to true and also set delay to 10. Let's check grid space script. It's setting the grid when player clicks. We don't want to set the grid even when it's computer's turn. Let's put this code in if condition game controller.player move equals true. Save all scripts using Ctrl+Shift+S and return to Unity. We have not assigned delay value, so let's assign 10 to it. Enter play mode. You can see that when player turn is over delay increases and when it reaches 100 computer plays. Thus we have player versus computer game now.